Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play Love Nwantiti on the saxophone. We will begin by exploring the song's iconic main melody. Start by listening closely to the first few notes, perhaps the sequence of La, Sol, Fa, Mi, and try to reproduce them on your instrument. Focus on making each note clear and distinct. Practicing at a slow tempo is crucial for developing accurate fingerings and a consistent sound. This foundational step will set you up for success as we progress through the piece. Next, let's dive into the song's musical foundation. Love Nwantiti is predominantly in the key of a flat major. Familiarizing yourself with this scale is incredibly beneficial. Spend time practicing the A-flat major scale, ascending and descending, aiming for a smooth and connected sound. This practice will not only improve your technique, but also deepen your understanding of the melody, making it easier to play and even improvise over the chord changes. Now, let's focus on mastering the main theme. Break the melody into smaller, bite-sized phrases, perhaps 2 or 4 measures at a time. This approach makes learning less daunting and more effective. Pay careful attention to the dynamics, playing some sections softly and others with more emphasis to bring out the song's emotion. Always practice with a metronome to maintain a steady tempo. Many sheet music arrangements are typically 3 pages, providing a comprehensive guide. To truly make Love Nwantiti your own, consider adding expressive elements. Experiment with vibrato on longer notes to add warmth and depth to your sound. Subtle note bends can also infuse a soulful quality into your playing. Practice regularly with a backing track to solidify your rhythm and timing within a musical context. Listening to different versions of the song can inspire new interpretations and help you develop your unique musical voice on the saxophone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.